A devastating week of severe weather leaves a trail of destruction and loss across the central U.S. The central U.S. has been battered by severe weather, leaving a tragic toll in its wake. At least 16 people have lost their lives across multiple states. In Kentucky, a 74-year-old driver near Boston was found dead after a failed water rescue attempt. Frankfort mourns the loss of 9-year-old Gabriel Andrews, swept away by floodwaters on his way to the school bus stop. Missouri's Whitewater Fire Protection District is grieving the loss of Chief Gary Moore, who died while responding to the severe weather. In Indiana, a 27-year-old Danville man was electrocuted after his vehicle ran over downed power lines. Tennessee officials report at least 10 deaths, while Arkansas has confirmed 1 fatality in Little Rock. Over 30 tornadoes have been reported, wreaking havoc from Missouri to Tennessee. Communities like Nevada, Missouri, Paducah, Kentucky, Selmer, Tennessee, and Monette, Arkansas, have suffered significant damage. Historic flash flooding has inundated areas, including Hopkinsville, Kentucky, causing numerous rescues. Roads are impassable, homes and businesses are devastated, and downed power lines create hazardous conditions. President Trump has approved a disaster declaration for all 95 counties in Tennessee. Our thoughts are with the families affected by this severe weather event. Stay safe and stay informed. And please like and subscribe for more important news events.